you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Hey guys, Jay of the day here. So over here at the park today, walking around on the trail. Must not shut my door the whole ways. And friggin' battery's dead in my truck. I don't know. It was probably 3 hours or so. Must have left the interior light on since the door wasn't shut the whole ways. But deader than a door now. So here we are. I can't get it. Nothing. Interior light, no nothing. So and of course, I mean there's 4 cars here, 5 cars, but there's nobody around them. I don't have any jumper cables. I know there's none at home. So I'm like stranded. I call him Mrs., but she ain't got nothing. She can't do nothing. Do you remember seeing something that said that you could jumpstart your vehicle with a banana? Now I got a banana. I was walking in the bag here. I do got a banana. It's a Del Monte, Costa Rica. I don't know if it'll work or not, but give it a try, I guess. Let me get out and get the hood and everything opened up. Well, here we are. You can see no light underneath the hood. Everything's tight. I'm guessing it's dead. So, let's try this banana deal here. So I got my banana. Now you're supposed to use 2, but all I got's 1, so we'll cut it in half and see what it does. Two bananas. Now supposedly there's like some electrolyte or something, some type of energy stuff in here. I don't know. Let's zoom you in on the battery terminals here. Get you in there. Down a little bit. Maybe not. Oop. There we go. How's that look for you? So, supposedly, they smash them on the terminals. That's supposed to leave it go for like a couple minutes. So we'll wait, see what happens here. But yeah, other than that, it's worth a try. It's either that or be stranded. So we'll wait a couple minutes here. I'll speed this up for you. Alright, we'll give her a try here. Oh, Watch and see. Hopefully it does. I got interior light on. Imagine that. Here, let me bring you over here and look. Look at that interior light. So let's see here. Let me move you again. Okay, you got kind of between me and the old banana battery. Boy, this is gonna be awesome if it works. Well, didn't start. Dead. Nope, still nothing. Maybe I just gotta leave it charged for a while longer. We'll see. Alright, we waited a couple more minutes here. Let's see what we got now. Nope, still nothing. Leave her charge. I think it said charge for like 5 minutes. Okay, let's try her again. Nope. Got a little bit of juice to it though. Let's wait a couple more. Okay, so it's been probably 15 minutes here, so let's give her a try again. Can you guys freaking believe that? That is unbelievable. A banana cut in half. Maybe that's why it took so long. It's because, you know, it said use 2 bananas. I only used 1 because I cut it in half. But that is crazy. So. Thanks guys, subscribe, like, share.